Hey guys, Rob from Expedition Team Overland here with an install video. We are installing the GP Factor swivel mount for the Starlink mount that they have. I have the Starlink mount mounted up on the top aft cross member on the top of the alley cab. Now Starlink does require you to be north facing. So for the last couple camping trips, I've always had to position the Jeep facing north. Now with this bracket, I can position the Jeep, and then the satellite dish will, the Starlink dish will get a straight up and down sky view instead of being pointed in the direction of the way the camper opens up. So let's get started with the install. All right, so the first part of this install is that we have to remove the old bracket off of the alu cab rack. So let's go up on the rack and get that taken off. All right, so we're up here on the top. This is the aft cross member. Now I do have these eye bolts, so I got to remove those eye bolts first to be able to slide the mount all the way off. So let's get these eye bolts off and the little alu cab end bracket. We'll get that installed next. So now it's off. I have these are the 3 spacers I have in here. So those are what I'll just leave those there. Now we'll take this off, put it down at the bottom, and let's get the swivel mount installed. All right, so here in the kit, you're getting 2 Allen key button head bolts, 2 bolts here. This is what's going to go into the alu cab crossbars, 4 washers, and 4 nuts. So the bracket comes pre-installed, which is really cool. So this, it has a real nice spring pin. So this part here is what's going to get installed onto the alu cab. It's cut out perfect. This is the width of the bracket for the alu cab cross member, and this is what gets installed onto the Starlink. So what we're going to do is it goes perpendicular to each other. So we put them on the 2 middle holes. There's, on this you have a whole bunch of different mounting brackets, and this one has 2. So we're going to put them on the in the 2 center ones, and it's going to go. The button head bolt is going to go first in here. Let's get this right closed. It's going to go in like that. Flip them upside down, and then the bracket is going to go perpendicular like this, and it's going to go a washer. And then 2 nuts. Now the Allen head is a number 5 metric, and I believe these nuts are 11 millimeter, but I'm going to double check that. Okay, so now with a number 5 Allen and a 13 millimeter, we're going to torque these down. Lefty tighty, righty loosey, right? So now it's all mounted up. Now we're going to go put it up on the alu cab. Okay, so we're up here on top of the Jeep. Got both these in here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. You slide these 2 over, and you can see here it's perfectly mounted for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the washer and the nuts up here, and we're going to mount it up. All right, so it is all up here. It's good. You pull the pin, and it will rotate. So there's three positions for it. So that's like 90 degrees, and then it's hard to do this with one hand. You got a pin there, a detent there, and then that's the stowed location. So it's really nice out here. I got to get my zip ties. I'm going to run this my Starlink cable up here. This is where I have it going into up here on the top of the camper. So this is a really nice, easy install. Love it.